Eli took his path to Slugterra once he turned 15. He met Pronto in the Shane hideout, and then he met Trixie, and then registered for tournament to collect slugs into his arsenal. There he met Curd. The tips from Pronto, Trixie, Curd, Eli did well and started to defeat challengers and started collecting slugs. Black came to know this and came to Eli and offered ghouls, but Eli rejected, telling it's not good for Slugterra. So Black gave ghoul to Eli's opponent and made Eli defeated. After the tournament, Eli sat alone and wondering how he's going to protect Slugterra and where to start. And that's when Pronto, Trixie, Curd came to Eli and made Shengang. Shengen came across battling ghouls as part of saving Slugterra. The enemies being sponsored with better tech and accelerators by Black almost got the upper hand. Kurd explained that they need a tech upgrade to fight the ghouls. In order to buy these, Eli got to trade his Taserling jewels for tech. But again, he wanted to get his slug back and found that the traded slugs are being delivered to Black. Shengang went to Black's place and got slug back but escaped from a high risk. Shengang continuing their quest and saving people and collecting slugs into arsenal. Eli's blaster was a basic version and couldn't handle powerful slugs and got repaired. Thus, the tech expert read for the issue, and during this, they fought with Hula Gang, and Eli got a new blaster, and more importantly, they got the new friend, Dog, a healer slug, into the arsenal. Shane Gang facing Black and his grunts, and Black is trying to defeat them. Black even sent a person named Twist secretly to Shane Gang, made Shane Gang believe that he is their friend. But they somehow understood that Twist came to betray them and got out of the mess. And the journey continues, Gang getting various experiences with different ghouls and the odd events. And then one day comes Master Shane, the unbeatable master. She conducts a contest to choose one student to get trained. Also, Eli gets to know his father's past and his rivalry with Black through Unmaster Shane. At the end of contest, Black comes to defeat Unbeatable Master and prove that he can defeat the toughest slinger of Slugterra. Eli and his friends get to see a fusion shot in the battle. At the end, Black uses his tricks and shoots Unbeatable Master with a goon and she is no more. The gang goes to Red Hook to help them with fusion shot, to which he tells it's not possible. But Kurt makes a plan and shows it to him, and at the end, they succeed. Also, the gang went underground cavern and returned. And by the time they returned, Dr. Black started his new train and started destructing Slugterra. Eli tries to use fusion shot, but it fails because of bad combination of slugs. With the help of Shadow Clan and his Enigma slug, he found out the correct combination of fusion shot and destroys Black Train and his weapon. And the events continue. Once Burpee got sick. The only way to heal Burpee is Lightwell. Shadow Clan allow only Eli to go into the path for Lightwell. After having it off path, Eli finally reaches Lightwell. But Black comes here using a tracker which he fixed earlier in the battle. Eli heals Burpee, and the Shadow Clan understood there is someone inside Lightwell in addition to Eli, and comes inside and found Black. They helped Eli to defeat Black. Later, Black was found transported into another cavern in a very weak position. Now, Eli and his gang decided to lock him up. They started taking him to prison. Also, they got a mecha upgrade which helped them to prevent Black from escaping. And the main thing everyone found is Mega Muffing. When the slug is linked with higher velocity, more than 100 miles per hour, the slugs were able to Mega Muff. They took Black into the jail where Eli talks with him about his past and his father. Meanwhile, Black's subordinates came and get him out. And there are also guns from Deep Cavern. Eli and his friends are in shock about everything what happened just now. Black, after seeing the Megamorphing, found that it's the way to increase luck energy and the gold version of the energy, which will be sufficient to make portal open from Deep Cavern and fulfill the promise he did to Darkbeam. Black attacked and made Red Hook present and made him to develop special accelerators which can megamorph slugs and ghouls. The Shane gang found this and got Red Hook free from Black. And with the accelerators made by Hook, the gang finalized which slugs of them are experienced enough to get megamorph and made a plan to stop Black. Eli, Trixie, Code are on the way and they sent Pronto to get Shadow Clan from the Guardian Gate. Pronto just got the Shadow Clan just in time when Trixie and Code are about to get defeated, and Shadow Clan took care of Black's army. But the portal opened by the time when the gang reached Eli, who is in a duel battle with Black near the portal. Pronto gave Dog, which he got from the Guardian Gate, and Eli shooted Dog, which healed the ghouls in the machine into the slugs and reversed the portal. Darkbane army were sucked back into the portal. Black attacked Eli and made him fall into portal. Eli shot at Buffy, telling him to save himself, and the Buffy transformed, flied, and shot a fireball on Black, and made him to fall into portal. Shadow Clan started trying to close portal. With the help of his slugs and Buffy, Eli kicked Black into the portal and escaped just in time when portal about to close, and everyone felt everything is done. Trixie, Kurt, and Pronto thought Eli is going back onto the surface. They tried to convince him. Eli told that it is something to be done, and he shot at Burpee. But he closed tunnel instead of going. Everyone was in surprise. The surprise is that he isn't going and Eli just blocked the tunnel so that no one notices it. Everyone's happy now and the adventure continues.